Very good morning, dear students. What we are going to see today is earthquake. So this topic comes under the fourth unit of environmental science and engineering. See, earthquake means everybody aware, because we are here and there able to hear in the news and in the media or in the newspaper. We are able to hear where the earthquake has occurred, and even recently in our national capital, that is in Delhi, during the month of November 2023 in this year, they felt the tremors of earthquake. Why Delhi is oftenly prone to earthquake? Have you ever thought of it? Because it is located in the Himalayan region, and the plates, that is called tectonic plates, which collides with the Eurasian plates. Let us see, before we enter into the earthquake in detail, we should know about the structure of the earth and what is called earthquake, what are the reasons, that is root causes of earthquake, and what are the meaning of tectonic plates. The word is bit familiar, no? It is called tectonic plates. And what is the relationship between the tectonic plates movement and the earthquake? And then what is called seismic waves? And further, where are all the earthquakes recently occurred worldwide? Those things we'll see. See, coming to the structure of the earth, no? As I already said, the tectonics is one of the important word to be noted whenever it is connected to the earthquake. What is called tectonic plates? No, you imagine our earth is like a ball. It is like a ball shape, and there are several layers. If you view the cross section of the layer of the earth, there will be n number of layers. We'll see one by one. There will be so many layers formed, and the outermost layer is called the crust, which consists of number of dozens of plates fragmented into small and larger plates, and it floats over the other zone named asthenosphere. See, you are able to view in the slide the structure, the cross sectional view of the earth. Here the outermost layer is called lithosphere, which comprising the crust layer as well as the upper mantle, which is floating over the other layer, that is the layer which floats over the lower layer, which is called asthenosphere. You are able to see in the picture very clearly. So in the cross section view, we have the crust layer, upper mantle, lower mantle, and the core. So likewise, the structure of the earth is being formulated. Because of over the millions and billions of years, it has been formulated and so far. And the surprising thing to be noted here is, no one is able to touch the core, not even the mantle, because of our growing technology. Once the Russia has made an attempt, and they drilled almost 12 kilometers. They were trying to reach, and they wanted to make a record to touch the core of the earth, but they were not able to cross beyond 12 kilometers. Even following Russia, China also tried, and they were also not able to do. Even India made an attempt. So likewise it is going on. It is because of the growing temperature and the prevailing heat pressure, they were not able to reach the core even by using the very advanced drilling or boring machines. Okay, then what it is called tectonic. Again we are coming back to the tectonic plates. As I said already, the outer layer of the earth. No, you please imagine a ball. The outer layer of the earth is fragmented into small and large pieces of rocks. Rock or plate. It is not like thickness of 10 centimeter or 1 centimeter. It is about 100 kilometers, 70 to 100 kilometers in depth. No, it means that you are able to imagine how depth you have to go to reach the core. Okay, so the outermost layer is fragmented into smaller large plates. It is almost 15 to 20 plates like. Okay, this layer is called crest, and the crest and the upper mantle together it is called lithosphere. The lithosphere is floating over the asthenosphere. Okay, then coming back to the next, what is available in the asthenosphere means it is a molten rock. No? Whenever there is a volcano eruption occurs, we are able to witness the magma. What is called magma? It is like molten rock. No? The molten rock is there over which the crust, that is tectonic plates, which moves around, because in the asthenosphere the molten rocks which makes a circular motion, or which creates a convection current like. So because of that, our tectonic plates also makes minor movement. Why we are not able to face? Because we are not able to feel the movement of the tectonic plates, but still it makes annually 100 millimeter, almost 10 centimeter, the tectonic plates are making a movement. Okay, because of those movements, when the tectonic plates continuously moving annually, even if it is a minor 10 centimeters per year also, there will be a major deformation occurs on the plates, because the plates makes several movement, either it collides or it makes a divergent movement or convergent movement, or it makes some sort of transverse movement, like which the tectonic plates makes a movement. Whenever the plates makes a movement, what is happening means there will be formation of tensile strain. It means that pressurized, high temperature or high pressure is forming over the plates. When the plates makes a movement, it gets stuck because of friction. Now when the plates makes a rotation, it gets stuck because of the friction. So automatically the pressure formulated, or the accumulated pressure formulated inside, which propagates into the over the crust. Okay, so whenever, that is called earthquake, means it is simply to state in a very simple manner, earthquake means movement of the tectonic plates, sudden movement of the tectonic plates, which because of what it happens, as I said already, it happens because of the accumulated pressure, because of the accumulated pressure formulated inside, and this pressure wanted to erupt because it wants to find the way to come out. So it forms through the tectonic borders, that is boundaries, which is also called as fault lines. Whenever there are two plates joined together, it is called fault line. So where the earthquake normally erupt, it wants to find the way to come out. And it will when it is happening as a volcano, you are able to see the magma which explode through the fault lines. Okay, in this picture you are able to see the earth's plates, how the earth, because billions and billions of years have been taken for forming the earth, and it is day by day it is getting changed. Okay, see the year by year how our tectonic plates have been made a movement, and how what is present today, the structure of the world, we are able to see. This is also the another picture. It is here it is given as a Eurasian plate. Now one more thing I wanted to emphasize here, being in India, our national capital Delhi is more prone to earthquake. It is because of the collision of Eurasian and the Indian plates, and the tremor which almost with the magnitude of 6.5 occurred at Nepal, the impact has been felt in Delhi. So this is also some picture which shows the boundaries of the plate. because various plates, almost 7 plate, ocean plate, continental plates, those plate boundaries which joins the joining border boundaries is also known as fault. Okay, these are all the different types of boundaries. See, as I said already, the plates makes different movement. No, when it moves away, it is called the divergent boundaries. See, in the picture you are able to witness the arrow mark which goes away, the two plates which moves or which makes a movement away from each other. It is called a diversion. Or convergent means those two plates comes closer. So it means converging. And transform boundaries means which slide over the other. One plate which moves relative to the other. That's called plate. So there are two types of oceanic plates and continental plates. There are several types of plate. When we have seen in the very first slide the cross-sectional view of the earth, there also we have witnessed what is called a lithosphere, asthenosphere and oceanic crust, all those things. Okay, what will happen when the earthquake occurs? We used to say the intensity of the earthquake in terms of waves, because the earthquake, when it occurs, it releases the energy which is known as seismic waves, which is recorded by means of a Richter scale. The scale ranges from 1 to 10. 1 means the magnitude of the earthquake, that is seismic wave, is minimum, and 10 means it is highest. So far in the history, 9.5 magnitude in the Richter scale also been recorded, which will totally makes very forceful tremors and totally spoil the environment and other properties and everything. But though we are not able to feel the minor earthquakes, because when the earthquake is of magnitude 3, everybody cannot be felt. So day by day, every day we are able to, there are so many earthquakes are occurring, but we are not able to feel it. Once when it touches the magnitude of 4 in the Richter scale, you are able to see there will be even houses, movement of houses or falling of chimneys, and there will be some collapses, and people may run out of their home to stand under open space. So that is the thing. And the seismic wave, which plays a major role, which carries a important message about the structure of the earth. What is the relation between the seismic wave and the structure of the earth? As I said already, when the earthquake occurs, it releases the waves in the form of seismic waves. We call it as a seismic waves. It releases its energy. It is called seismic waves, which is recorded in the Richter scale with a magnitude of 1 to 10. Okay. So by measuring the speed of the seismic wave, we are able to see that is how fast, how it travels from the place where it occurs, the earthquake, the origin, where it occurs underneath the earth, and how it propagates, and how it is being felt on the crust or on the ground. So the speed at which the seismic waves travels can be analyzed, and we are able to analyze the structure of the various layers of the earth. Various layer means, once again I wanted to repeat, it means the core. The core means inner, the center part of the ball like. Then next layer, outer core, that is divided into inner core, outer core, and then mantle, and then comes to the crust. So this is some example as taken from the history that 15 million years ago that Indian plate collided into the Eurasian plate. After the collision, the slow continuous convergence of the two plates over millions of years pushed up Himalayas. How Himalayas occurred, how Himalayan, which is the very huge mountain, no? Which is only because of the collision of the two plates, and through which the eruption of magma, and it took many years and formulated, and now it is recorded as the highest continental mountain in the world. And another thing to be noted is the ring of fire. See, it means that it is mostly seismically and volcanically active zone, which is located on the Pacific Ocean. The area which covers the boundaries of the plates are called the ring of fire, which are more prone to earthquake, especially Japan. Japan means which are often susceptible to earthquake. No, it is because its major portion of the thing is located on the ring of fire border. So oftenly it faces the earthquake. And the Japanese people know they are accordingly they will construct. Like India, they don't construct the buildings or any structures using bricks or something else. They use some sort of elastic material which deform according to the movement of the earthquake. So accordingly the elastic material will also absorb the vibration, so that to some extent they are able to save. So these are the few things because of the consequences of plate tectonics, which is shown in this figure, the South American plates, and here also you are able to witness some trench. Once again the same thing, it is like a stress, it is like a accumulated pressure which comes out through the fault line. Fault line is nothing but the border where the two plates of tectonic plates merge or join. So likewise it goes on. Okay. So again continuing the same thing, there are different types of seismic waves. So those things will be covering in the next class, and the important questions to be addressed here is shown in the last slide. See, what is lithosphere? We have seen, no, lithosphere is the outermost, and what is asthenosphere, and what is called a ring of fire, and the ring of fire where it is located, and what are the earthquake waves, that's called the seismic waves. What are the various other scales, not only the Richter scales, what are the various other scales are used for recording, why specifically Richter scale is mostly used. These are the questions which can be discussed in the next class. Thanks for your patient listening. Thank you.